Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. The megalodons went extinct a millennia ago, but to this date, there have been many reported sightings of this monstrous shark. Today, we will take a look at some of the most reliable sightings of this great beast. So, let's get into it. The baby Meg. If the prehistoric megalodons are still alive today, then obviously they got to have babies too, right? While debunking the theories, many people stress that if the creature has been spotted, then why are there no infant or offspring spottings too? So don't worry fellas, this video's gonna shut their mouths forever. This video was caught off the coast of Australia, where some marine biologists were observing and admiring the great white sharks of the region, when suddenly, a huge shark came and ate a fish. Well, there's nothing that unusual about the clip. I mean, just a shark preying on a smaller fish. So what made the video stand out? Well, there were two things that had these biologists scratching their heads. One was the sheer size of the shark, but a likely explanation was that sharks are nearly this size, so nobody paid that much attention. Well, the other thing was a jut on the flap. Only megalodons have these, so many believers concluded that it was indeed a baby megalodon.
And then you caught this. It's a baby megalodon.
Brazilian Coast Guard footage. Now, this video is another alleged proof of the megalodon's existence. The story behind this is that Brazilian Coast Guards were on a rescue mission off the coastline on November 20th, 2012. Isn't that the year when scientists predicted the end of the world or something? Anyhow, what happened is that while they were rescuing, a huge, shadowy, megalodon-like sea creature passed by them. They didn't notice that during their endeavor, but after seeing the footage, they were shocked to see it and shared it with the world. You missed it. Just look close enough. Yeah, there it is on the top right corner of your screen. Many have said that it could be a whale swimming by, but the area doesn't have any whales at all. You know, what's cooler is that the Discovery Channel even featured it on one of their shows. Megalodon attacked a boat. Before diving into this one, I'm just gonna say that this one really scared the hell out of me, so brace your hearts here. This video was taken on a charter fishing boat off the coast of South Africa on April 5th, 2013. A group of friends was out fishing that day when suddenly something really unfortunate happened. When the sunset and black clouds covered the sky, all of a sudden their boat got hit by something major. Obviously, they were not keen on filming at that time, so the camera fell down. Some days later, it was reported that their ship was found under the ocean, but it was torn in half and had many huge bite marks. Even after the rescue mission, nobody was found, just this camera recording which didn't reveal the culprit. But after the identification of the bite marks, it was deemed as a megalodon attack by several people, as only that beast had jaws powerful enough to bite through a boat. Megalodon swimming on the surface. This video surfaced on the internet in 2014 by a man who was boating out in the ocean and caught this unique glimpse. First, he thought it was some kind of a shark, and out of curiosity filmed the creature. But later, when it got viral on social media, people noticed that this is not your ordinary everyday shark. As you can see in the clip, the dorsal fin is extending out of the water, proving that it indeed was a shark, although we can't see the shark's head. The distance between the fin and the tail is kinda huge, which made people think that it could indeed be a megalodon sighting. Megalodon versus the Kayak. We've told you about an encounter between a meg and a boat, but now we have a megalodon versus a kayak. Just imagine what this beastie could do to it, obviously munching it down on the way. A man was paddling his kayak in the ocean when his friend captured something near him. First, he thought it was a shark, but guys, let me tell you, it was not. It was surely a megalodon. The sheer size is enough to tell you this. It was estimated that the shark was up to 40 frickin' feet long. The area also doesn't have any reported shark species, so it solidifies the Meg theory. Man, you were lucky the sea beast didn't munch you down. Mariana Trench Megalodon. Well, everybody knows that the Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world, known to run as deep as 11,000 meters. So it's bound to have some sinister secrets, right? Well, as you've already clicked on the video, you know that it's a Meg sighting. What happened is that the marine scientists put bait in a cage to observe what sea creatures would approach it. After some small shark encounters, the beast approached the cage. By doing a comparison with the cage size, the spotted creature must be somewhere up to 60 feet. Well, we all know that no shark is that big, so it's gotta be a Megalodon. You know, in my opinion, this may be the most authentic sighting of the Megalodon. Megalodon attacks a whale. This spectacular sight was recorded in 2013. A man was recording a whale jumping out of the water at night. Well, we all know how spectacularly beautiful those sightings are. Unfortunately, the whale was not alone in the waters. When the whale jumped out of the water, instantly, a supposed Megalodon also came after it and bit the massive sea creature. While great white sharks are known to prey on small whales, they aren't anywhere near the size compared to this video one. Many people have claimed it a hoax due to an unverified source, but scientists have said that it has been proven that that's how a Megalodon would attack a whale. Moreover, according to statistics, only 5% of oceans are explored yet, so one can't say anything for sure. Loch Ness Monster. Now, who doesn't know the Loch Ness Monster, aka the infamous Nessie? It's a Scottish folklore creature and has been the talk of the town for a long time. Many people have claimed that they've also spotted it. This Alaskan crew got a glimpse of this so-called mythical creature on camera. They reported that the sea serpent was swimming in the ocean for quite a while. The clip quickly went viral on social media, and many people claimed that it was a hoax. But the Alaskan team is still determined on their claim. Another one was caught on camera by a film or documentary crew. As the cameras were rolling, someone spotted something in the waters. They then went out to film it. The creature sure did resemble the legendary Nessie. Sea serpent. Many people have suspicions regarding this video, but it's one of my favorites, so obviously it made the list. This woman was standing with her dog, posing for a picture. Not in her wildest dreams she would have thought that this would ever happen to her. So what exactly went on is that suddenly, a huge sea serpent came out of the water, grabbed her dog in its mouth, and swam away. The woman runs away with sheer panic on her face. I can't verify its source, but I'm not gonna lie, looks pretty damn cool. Godzilla. Godzilla is a fictional monster originating from Japan. Many movies have been made about the creature, and the fans wish to see this badass creature in real life. Well, one was sighted in Barbados. The video is kind of blurry because the person had to zoom in, as the creature was far away in the ocean. And there were also foggy clouds that were blurring the view. But I'm gonna say that it looks like the real deal. This one was spotted in Galveston, Texas, in August 2018. This footage is legit, as it was taken during a History Channel documentary from a helicopter. In the lightning, you can see a Godzilla-like huge figure hovering out of the ocean. Well guys, I am curious if the real-life Godzilla has an atomic breath or not. Tapeworm monster. This mysterious tapeworm-like monster was caught on camera by some dock workers in Germany in 2011. It was allegedly taken to an Institute of Ocean Research, but they couldn't identify it properly. To me, it looks like a monster's intestines have been pulled out and are getting a display now. To be honest, guys, it looks like a mutant monstrous creature that's going to gobble up us all. I don't know anything more about this, so if you guys know, please leave a comment down below. Kraken. Kraken is an enormous, legendary sea monster and has been the talk of sailors in ancient times. I found this Kraken video on the internet, and to be honest, it's given me chills. You can see the huge tentacles of the monster coming from the ocean. I think that the background music is edited, as it's not possible that a creature this loud remained hidden for so long. By the end of the video, the creature returned back into the ocean. This other video also got famous on social media, with many people dubbing it the Mini Kraken. It was caught by a man in Singapore, who said that the Mini Kraken was waving with its hundreds of little arms. Well, there's no truth to that, as this freakish sea creature is a basket star, found 1,800 feet deep in the ocean. Not everything's a monster, guys, as the world's oceans are filled with many exotic creatures that you've probably never heard of, just like the next entry. Bloody belly comb jelly. Well, it certainly does sound like the name of some snack, but this sparkling deep-sea fireball is a comb jellyfish. The name is obviously derived due to its bloody red color. They can grow up to lengths of 6 inches and live at a depth of up to 3,320 feet. You might be thinking that it's so bright red, it probably would have been pretty visible underwater. Well, it doesn't, because in deep waters where it resides, the color goes nearly invisible and actually helps it to blend in. It's so alien-like that many people who see it for the first time think that it's an edited creature. Well, guys, this one's pretty real. Bobbitt worm. This creature is a true nightmare for marine creatures. Also known as the sand striker, the worm ranges in length from 4 inches to nearly 10 feet. Well, that's one hell of a variation. This species is an ambush predator, as it hunts by burrowing its whole body in soft sand on the ocean floor and waiting until its antennae detect prey. It then strikes with its sharp mouth parts. It doesn't have any eyes or a brain, and well, that's why it uses the antenna to catch prey. The mandibles are responsible for striking and stunning prey. They are so powerful that they are even capable of snapping the prey in half. If a fish accidentally brushes past one of them, it only has mere milliseconds to flee. Look at this lucky one. It escaped its death. That's because the sand striker is blind and merely acts if its antenna triggers or if it senses a shadow lingering over it. This one wasn't so lucky. Look how fast the Bobbitt worm attacked and engulfed it. Giant isopod. Giant isopods look like they're gonna gobble you up in your sleep if given a chance, and they just might if they could only catch you. They live in the deep sea, where they catch the prey, including slow-moving sea cucumbers, sponges, and nematodes, but mostly scavenge the dead carcasses of fish, squids, and whales. They're kind of a distant cousin of the crabs. The animal can grow up to 16 inches in length. They are not very yum to eat, hence don't have many natural predators. They have a really hard outside shell, like other crustaceans, and there's not much meat in the animal. It's even less than a crab's meat. Stonefish. What in the 7 L's is this? It looks like this fish has been mummified, right? Well, it isn't, but can provide conditions for you to get mummified. This rusty-looking stonefish has enough poison that could very likely kill you within an hour. Stonefish are found on rocky or muddy bottoms of the Indo-Pacific region. They have excellent camouflage capability. Typically, their bodies are a brown, orange, yellow, or red patches, but they texture themselves to resemble the surrounding rocks or coral. You can swim right by a stonefish and never know it was there. Stonefish use this to their advantage while hunting and wait for fishes to swim by, then swiftly attack and swallow their prey. Their sting results in terrible pain, swelling, necrosis, and eventually, death. Look how swiftly they attack their prey without any warning. Yeah, it's that good. Sarcastic fringehead. Don't go at its name, because the fish is anything but sarcastic. It's actually a big-mouthed fish. No, I mean literally look at its mouth. It uses its needle-sharp teeth to bite into its prey. They are known to be incredibly territorial and will attack anyone, including other fringeheads or even scuba divers, who dare to threaten them. These guys don't kid around on their territory. Look at how an octopus wandered off in its territory and how it tackled the situation. And look here, these two are literally thrashing and intimidating each other by displaying their monstrous mouths. When the challenger is another sarcastic fringehead, the two kiss by aggressively pressing their open mouths against each other until one finally gives up and swims away. Flower hat jellyfish. Although it looks like a fancy hat worn on a catwalk, the flower hat jelly is best kept away from your head. It uses its fluorescent-tipped tentacles to catch and kill small fish by paralyzing them with venom. This venom can be deadly to humans too. The flower hat jelly can grow to be about 6 inches in diameter. An interesting fact is that these jellies don't have any head, heart, brain, bones, cartilage, or even real eyes. yet they're among the major predators in the ocean. Their stinging cells are among the most complicated cells found anywhere in the animal kingdom. Flowerhat jellies use its hanging tentacles to trap and paralyze any animal that swim close to them. Blue-ringed octopus. Don't swoon over its cute and petite size, as this octopus species has the capacity to kill you instantly. The toxin present in their saliva paralyzes the prey while the blue-ringed octopus eats it. Whoa, talk about a monstrosity! The poison that a blue-ringed octopus injects is so deadly that even 1 milligram of it can kill a human. It's one of the most potent toxins on Earth. And, well, there's no antidote. Its venom is 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide, and only a golf ball-sized venom has enough power to kill 26 humans in a couple of minutes. What nature took from it in terms of size was completed by giving it the most powerful tool. They generally range from the sizes of 5 to 8 inches. When threatened, bright blue rings appear all over its body as a warning signal to potential predators. If you ever encounter this blue and yellow beauty, run far, far away, as the bite is usually painless, so you might not even know you've been bitten until it's too late. Frilled shark. Now this fish can give chills up to your spines. With its grisly appearance, the frilled shark is a prime example of a living fossil who have not evolved much throughout the millennia. Do you know that it used to coexist with the dinosaurs? But look, only this badass managed to survive the extinction. These 7-foot-long sharks don't fear anyone, and primarily prey on squids. They've also been known to feed on fish and even other sharks. When hunting food, the frilled shark moves like an eel and swallows whole prey with its long and flexible jaws, which are equipped with 300 needle-like teeth. These teeth face inward, ensuring once prey gets inside, it won't get out. No one has seen a frilled shark eat, so we're not sure how their prey meets its fate. Don't go on its length, as the shark preys on the animals more than its own bodily size. To digest its food, it then expands its stomach like a snake. And now, let us move on to our subscriber pick of the day. This image was sent to us by one of our subscribers. Similarly, if you ever wish to know more about an image you come across, just send it on over to us. Who knows, we might even feature it in one of our videos. Today's subscriber pick points to a famous incident of a reported Megalodon sighting. It was said to be so huge that it felt like the shark would cut through the bridge with its mighty fin. Well, sorry to pop the bubble of your imagination, but that sighting was of a blue whale swimming with its baby. Somebody captured this image on Samuel de Champlain Bridge, and it went viral on social media by announcing it as a Megalodon sighting. In the picture, you can clearly see 2 marine animals, a small one besides a larger one, which actually is a blue whale swimming beside its baby. Black dragonfish. The ocean is filled with many exotic and crazy creatures. The black dragonfish is a small, long, slender fish that has scary fang-like teeth and are sexually dimorphic. They are found in depths of about 5,000 to 7,000 feet. They are also strange-looking and are known for many qualities including bioluminescence, their method of hunting, and their unique method of reproduction. The black dragonfish larvae hang from their body, which function as eyes for these fish. This makes them look like an alien. Moreover, they have transparent teeth and dark bodies, which help them while hunting, making them great predators. Black dragonfishes are really small in size, weighing from 0.02 to 0.03 pounds at a length range of 2 to 16 inches. Even a male dragonfish is almost 1/5 the size of a female. Pufferfish. Now, here's another fish that looks all cute and fuzzy, but has enough pack of poison to kill you in a matter of minutes. In certain species, the internal organs, such as the liver and sometimes the skin, contain tetrodotoxin and are highly toxic when eaten. Nevertheless, the meat of some of these species is considered a delicacy in Japan, Korea, and China. A predator that manages to snag a puffer before it inflates won't feel lucky for long. It is up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There's enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans. And again, there is no known antidote. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you next time.